Most professional three-dimensional design software feels like you need a pilot license just to put a simple cube on the screen. You open the program and you are immediately buried under a mountain of buttons and nested menus. This specific design tool is the complete opposite of that massive headache. It stays incredibly popular because it understands something very specific about the human creative process. People do not always want a technical powerhouse. They want a fast way to get an idea out of their head and into a three-dimensional space. You can start building a structure within minutes of opening the file. You are not wasting half your morning watching tutorials on how to navigate the interface or where the basic tools are hidden. It is essentially the digital equivalent of a cocktail napkin sketch. Only this napkin lets you walk through the building and see the shadows hit the floor. This tool is the absolute king of architecture and interior design workflows. If you need to lay out a kitchen or see how a new room addition looks, it just works. You draw a simple two-dimensional shape on the ground and you pull it up into existence. It feels tactile. It feels fast. It does not feel like you are fighting against the computer hardware. But there is a clear ceiling to this simplicity that you have to acknowledge. You have to understand exactly what you are getting into before you invest. If your goal is to create a hyper-realistic movie scene or a complex character animation with flowing hair and physics, you are going to hit a brick wall. The software starts to feel thin and restricted when you push it toward heavy detail or organic shapes. It was never built for that level of technical intensity. You will eventually end up hunting for expensive extra plugins or moving to a different program entirely just to finish the job. Then there is the inevitable question of the price tag. This is not exactly a cheap toy for a casual hobbyist. If you are a student or a working professional using this to land clients, the cost makes total sense. It saves you dozens of hours on every single project. It makes your presentations look clean and professional without requiring a degree in computer science. You are paying for speed and you are paying for reliability. But for the casual user who just wants to see what a new shelf looks like in the garage once a year, it is a tough sell. It feels very expensive if you are not using it to make a living or finish a major project. It is one of those tools that requires you to be honest about your ambitions. If you want to move fast and keep things simple, it is perfect. If you want to build a digital universe with millions of moving parts, you might want to look elsewhere. It is all about finding the right tool for the specific job at hand. Not every project needs a massive sledgehammer. Sometimes you just need a really good pencil that happens to work in 3 dimensions. That is where the real value lives. It is about that immediate gratification of seeing a concept take shape right before your eyes. You do not get bogged down in technical debt or complex math. You just create. And for a lot of designers, that creative freedom is worth every penny of the subscription. Just do not expect it to do things it was never designed for. Keep your scope manageable. Focus on the layout and the feeling of the space. That is the sweet spot where this program really shines and outperforms the competition.